I give you my love. I've called you, then betray me or push me. I give you my soul because you played a significant role in my life. Please leave. I won't survive without you. They say love is the most flawless sensation of all. They say when everything falls, love stands tall. Didn't occur for my station. Cause I lost the race. I don't put stock in adoration any longer. Cause love leaves just harshness and accord. I don't put stock in adoration any longer. Dreams and you dreams now and then never get satisfied throughout everyday life. Love makes us extremely upset from a magnificent big and things simply go spotted. Love is an inculcation so unleaded. At the point when this occurs, you feel so powerless from the inside. I have done no wrongdoing since I genuinely adore you. You have left me weeping for life. I can't say how I will survive. Why did you do this to me in love? This fears the pain and the sorrow. There is no end to this tomorrow. I have nothing left for you in my heart. Only a curtain, something that we are exceptionally far. We are currently supported. My adoration is lost, and I know without a doubt there are no sentiments left, nothing to guarantee everything is over in blaze of second. Suddenly, nothing remains now. The numbers onward inquiries of my adoration once more. Many response of how as yet looking for them not the equivalent my life wouldn't be something very similar without you. Do you try and understand that I had such a strong desire for you to be a part of my life that I am struggling to survive without you, that I will still love you until the end of time, and that is the only reason I would call you many forever. My life would have been different if you could have understood me. I loved you so much. My love for you was so great, but you never loved me back. It turned my life upside down. I won't regret it because my love was real. My heart used to beat only for you. My main desire was to have you in my life. In any case, things were not something very similar from your side. I forget you will cherish me the manner in which I do. In any case, you had a few sentiments flash. Life continues on with time, and I have lost my desire to consider. You mean for well from my side, and this lack of concurrent and tired. You are aware that you were the most important person in my life. Beyond you, There was nothing I could see, however. You left me without a reason. My only fault was that I loved you a lot. You were my only thought. I will never love anyone again. I have lost faith in love. You won't understand the feelings of love. There is nothing planned. It is a game of feelings and emotions. You have lost it all. There is nothing left to say. Just some broken dreams and pain. Just some dry tears wasted. Every time I think of you, I also carry in vain. Destiny had another plan for me, making my life hell. Now left with only memories where my emotions will develop. I so loved you from the bottom of my heart, but I couldn't get that starred every tear in my eyes, every tear I shed for you, every pain you gave me when you lost someone you love, you feel trouble inside. It's like losing your life as a volley that important played and rule was hard to part with. It was impossible to fix. Why is life not so good to me? Why is destiny not so fair? Why did I lose someone I loved in life? Why does God only test me for all the effort I put in? The fantasy of affection which I had seen was so grievous, yet the truth was excessively organizing. Anybody wouldn't be aware why I trust you. I all actually don't have any idea. You left me and it took your traction. I had tears in my eyes. I just couldn't say in any case. Still, I need to inquire for what reason did you break my wonderful dream, a vision I had in a dream.